Hello, this is Greg Allison from Green Greg's Garden and Worm Farm, coming today from my orchard, my overgrown orchard right now. But I want to show you something. It is important when you're doing an organic garden, or really for the world in general, to have a lot of things that pollinators are going to eat from. Flowers, it'll help your garden. It helps the bees, the pollinators. If you look, you'll see I got bumblebees flying around everywhere out here pollinating these wild azaleas. Aren't they beautiful? Check them out. They look like honeysuckle. Check them out. I cleared most of this area out at one time for my orchard. Now some of the stuff has grown back and I didn't get to tend to it last year, but the one thing I left was these, because these feed bees, and bees we need, right? Check this guy out. So that's why I left these wild azaleas here. They are a great source for food for the pollinators. I've got them in my woods on this part of my orchard, and I got some scattered on down through the orchard. And there are actually some fruit trees in here, but I just got a lot of summer cedars and other weeds growing up, and a few species of trees I still need to extract. But just thought I'd give you a beautiful scene today. A lot of the stuff I cover is not so fun, not so entertaining, except for when you're hearing my peeper frogs. See, there's one of my pear trees right here. Yes, I do have fruit trees here. And oh, you might see the azaleas way out there. Check out my bee. Ball. There we go, somewhere in here. There he is. He's all in there, working on that pollen. In event, now I'm not scared of bumblebees unless you're messing with their nest. So there you are. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, some likes. A lot more videos to come, especially on gardening. But just remember, use a lot of wildflowers in your garden. And a lot more gardening videos and other videos to come. I've filmed a lot of material, just haven't posted it all. Much more to come. Be sure to support my channel by checking the links below for your garden purposes and fishing purposes. I do sell worms. Greengregs.com for your prepping purposes and long-term food supplies. My Patriot Supply, link below, and also the link below for in case you want to plant your own garden. Seeds, including flower seeds. They got a lot of good seeds at True Leaf Market. Don't forget True Leaf Market. They're a great source of seeds, great company. Check them out. Thank you for watching.